and welcome to PlantJoyCo. Today we are around Sydney in North Parramatta and we're going to visit the indoor plant shed.
So come along with me and let's get some planty goodness. The entrance was graced with some fantastic palms and the white bird of paradise. I'm sure we're going to find some more treasures inside. As I explored, I found a palm. Was not sure what it's called, but now I know it's called the rapis palm. So beautiful. I was very distracted by the lovely planters. If you follow me, you may know I mainly use white pots to achieve a cohesive look. This looked like a satin pothos with its green and silver leaves. Near the pots was a collection of Streptocarpus Pretty Turtles in lovely pots with the leaves resembling turtle shells. What a marvel of nature! The next plant I was interested in was the luscious lipstick plant. The rocks plant refers to a type of plant called life on the rocks, specifically a Schefflera species or a plant that is grown in a rock garden. Life on the rock plants are known for their unique appearance, where the roots grow over the rock, resembling a bonsai tree. How lovely! Just look at the plants they have here. Truly a gorgeous bunch. In the corner was a lovely display with the ficus shiverina, the devil's ivy on a totem, and the lovely corn plant, also known as the happy plant. They also had a huge collection of the different types of ficus and the ficus benjamina, commonly known as the weeping fig, which also happens to be the official tree of Bangkok. They also had some dracaenas, which were really tall, also known as the snake plants, and some more taller and bigger happy plants for sale. I found the Philodendron Summer Glory. It's a stunning hybrid between the Philodendron gloriosum and an unnamed Macaulay hybrid. Such magnificent leaves. They also had some Thai constellation, which is beautifully variegated and resembles a constellation of stars among the dark green leaves. It's becoming very, very popular in Sydney at this point of time. Next, I was drawn towards the Calathea orbifolia. It's so eye-catching. Just have a look at those beautiful round orb-like leaves with those stripy features on them. So amazing. Besides having plants in pots, they also had options for hydro plants in beautiful glassware. The indoor plant shed in North Parramatta has a good range of common house plants and is a good recommendation for plant enthusiasts. In the end, I left happy with pots from Norcott Pottery and a majestic white bird of paradise. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to bringing you more planty goodness. See you soon.